Hello, grade 4 students. Hope you all are fine at home. You must be studying other subject also, but last few months we not done in art anything. So first assignments I am planning for you design. Um, so our today's topic is overlapping. Grade 4 class. This is our first drawing assignments, and we are learning in this topic overlapping. Overlapping is a concept we are using in design. Overlap means two things we are overlapping, like this way. This is my hand, this is another hand. So we are overlap and we hide the object like this way to form overlaps. So we are studying circle overlapping. Okay. So today's our topic is overlap. Overlapping concept is very easy, but when we doing practice we will understand this concept, and when we understand this concept in design we can do good and better way any design. Overlapping concept is where it's not easy. When we understand then it will easy, otherwise not. So when we study properly this concept, so we can understand. First we are drawing square box. So first I am taking a measurement of square box 8 by 8 inches. So this is now 1 2 3 4 5 6. So our paper is small, so we are taking 6 centimeter. We are not taking 8. Six by 6. Same measurement we are taking down 6 inches. Small scale available everyone's place, so use a small scale, otherwise you can use big scale also. This is a 6. Okay, after this square we are choosing circle form. What we are choosing? Circle. We are learning today overlapping. Overlapping design. So let's start. First we are not making, we are just choosing only circle form. We are not making another form also, triangle, square, only circle. We are focused only circle because we understand better overlapping design. So first I am making circle. This is my circle is medium. Now small. Now big. I overlap these two forms properly. Again medium, large. Try to draw freehand. We are not using any for circle drawing. We have to do a freehand. I am not using any instrument to draw a circle. So you please be careful when you drawing a circle. Try to draw freehand. If your circle is bending, it's okay, but you have to draw freehand. I overlap here again. So now again I am overlapping my form. But we are not making crowd, we are thinking about our place. This is our space. How many space is left here? Now this part. Again here. Again here. Again. Don't make crowd, okay? Think about this place and then you draw the circle. Think about the space and you draw the circle. Just doing overlapping again and again, again and again. This is not. We have to think about the square. When we think about the square and space, so we can do properly overlapping. Okay, go slowly, slowly. Don't do the fast. Now I make a black pen outline. All you can see now properly how I done this. When you looking your design, it can be look proper balance. Okay, I don't found here more crowd, so let's start coloring. You can choose watercolor, crayon colors, whatever available your place, either color pencil. So I am choosing crayon colors and I will show you how to I start my coloring. But if you want to do the pattern, the circle pattern, so you can draw the circle patterns also different way, like this way. I'm using a marker now. You can create the circle pattern also like this way. It will look nice in your design. Few places you can draw like this circle pattern. Not full design, only required place. This is the pattern. Now I am choosing a 4 shades, one red, yellow, light blue and green. You can take multiple shades also. When you start shading, before you think one shade is light and one shade is dark, one shade is light, one shade is dark. Make sure two colors merge properly and it creates third shades like orange. Did you see this orange shades? This is orange shades. When you merge two color properly, it creates third shades of color. Here I am using green. This pattern design, you can make any object. You can make like your mug. If you want to paint your mug, so you can draw this same design on your mug. Your purse, girls having the purse, they can draw this design on purse. Either they can create the pendant, you know, when you wear the necklace, handmade necklace, so you can create this pattern like in your painting work. You better understand this overlapping concept more when you using this in your daily life. You will know about the more this art. Now again I am taking here red color. I choose only 4 colors. You can choose 6 shades, 8 shades, 10, as much you want. But one color is light, one color is dark. It is compulsory. When you do the coloring, do slowly, okay? Don't go fast. If you want to do color in this form, so you can do either leave empty, no need to do coloring if you want, then otherwise no. So I am using here green again and here blue. Overlapping concept is very vast. We can use in memory drawing. We overlap the figures, we overlap the trees, flowers. When you drawing, that time you will understand this concept more. And still life. Now our square design is creating pattern. Did you see this pattern? It's looking nice. See this pattern. Step by step, when you complete in color, you will understand more. When you choosing limited color, it is very challenging to complete this coloring. If you taking only few colors, it's like a game where I put each color and how we will complete this pattern. It is very challenging. So make sure use a few colors to complete the design. Hope you understand this coloring and you will complete this design nicely. I'm feeling very enjoying to complete this coloring. Hope you will. Hope you like this design and done properly. Best of luck for this design. Bye bye.